Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for fitness industry. So let's say that you own a gym and here you are marketing your gym with the help of Facebook lead ads. And every time a new lead is received for gym membership, you want that the details of that particular lead should be added in your spreadsheet as a new row so that later you can nurture the lead. Now to do this, we'll have to set up some integration between the two applications, and the same thing can be done using Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger will be Facebook lead ads and my action application will be Google Sheets, so that for this particular page, every time a lead is added and submitted, then automatically the details can be registered in my spreadsheet. Now to understand how you can integrate and automate this entire process yourself without the need of any coding skills, let's begin. So this here is the home page of Pabbly Connect. You can write pabbly.com/connect in the address bar to reach here. Next, on the right hand side, we have the options to either sign in or sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, simply sign in, and if you are the new user, you will have to sign up. It's not going to take more than 2 minutes, and yes, at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks to test all these automations. Now, since I'm an existing user, I'm simply going to click on sign in, and as we do that, here you can see we have reached all apps page, and here these are the various products of Pabbly. I'm going to click on Pabbly Connect, and as we do that, here we have reached the dashboard. On the right hand side there's a tab create workflow. Click on this and a dialog box has appeared here. Here you have to name your workflow. You can give any random name like demo test. I'm going to name it as per my objective, which is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets, and here we are talking about fitness industry. So let's select the folder. So once done, here we have clicked on create. And as we do that, here we have reached another window which has got two extremely important events. One here is trigger, another one is action. Now triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger is when this happens, action says do this. Basically, action here is the automated response of what happens in your triggered application. Let's do one thing. Let's understand this with the help of an example. So whenever you make a payment, you swipe your card and you receive a notification through SMS about the amount debited. How does that happen? Now that happens with the help of automation, where your trigger is any payment gateway and your action is any SMS sending application. I hope you have understood this. Now let's come to our use case. So here my trigger will be Facebook lead ads. Let's click on this. Then we have the trigger event, and here it will be new lead instant. Trigger event means that this workflow is going to start every time you have received a new lead. Now here I'm going to click on connect, and as we do that, Pabbly Connect wants to connect with Facebook lead ads account. Here we have got two options. Now since we are setting up this connection for the first time, I have selected add new connection, connect with Facebook lead ads, and before I did that, I had already logged into my Facebook account. So here you can see that the authorization has been successful, which means that Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect are now connected. Now as I scroll down, here we have to select a page and the lead generation form associated. Always remember that your lead generation form has to be live so that you can receive the responses. Now I'm going to take you to my Facebook account, and here let's go to the various pages that I have created. So these are the various pages. Now here I have recently created this page for Elegance Fitness Studio since I'm promoting this studio. So I'm going to select the same page here. So this is Elegance Fitness Studio. Now since there is only one lead generation form that I have created, so you can see it has already been populated by the system. Now we are going to click on save and send test request, and as we do that, we can see that it is waiting for webhook response, which means that now we are supposed to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now to receive a test lead, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers page. Let's go to my applications. Within this we have tools, and here we have lead ads RTU debug tool. This particular tool is going to help us in testing the integration. So we can create a test lead to confirm that our integration is set up to receive data correctly. Now here I'm going to select the page which is Elegance Fitness Studio, and here I'm going to click on preview form. As we do that, here we have received this page right in front. So this is the form. Let's fill up this form. Let's say the first name is dummy, the last name is user, then we have the email address which is dummy@pabblytudes.com, and then we have the mobile number which is, and now here I'm going to click on next. So as we do that, here we are going to click on submit, and we can see that it is saying that our lead has been sent. Let's go to Pabbly Connect and see if we have received the response. Yes, we have captured the webhook response. We have received the first name, this here's the last name, email address, mobile number, and then we have the created date and time. So once we have received this information, my objective here is to add these details to a spreadsheet that I already have created. The name is Elegance Fitness Studio Leads. And here we have got one sheet which is sheet 1. The column fields are name, email address and contact number. So here I'm going to scroll down, choose my action application as Google Sheets. Let's click on this. Then we have the action event, and this here is add new row. Click on connect. As we do that, now Pabbly Connect wants to connect with Google Sheets account. I have selected add new connection, sign in with Google. Now we have to choose an account with which our spreadsheet is linked. And as we do that, you can see that Pabbly Connect here wants to access my Google account. Now this is absolutely secure. Here I'm going to click on allow, and as we do that, we can see here that the authorization is successful, which means that Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect are now connected. Now as I scroll down, we have to select the spreadsheet, done. Then since there is only one sheet, so it has already been populated by the system. Now here we have to enter the name, email address and contact number of the lead. Now we have received this information in the step above. What I'm going to do with the help of this method which is known as mapping, I'm going to retrieve the values here. So as I click on this, you can see the previous step, and this here is the name. So this is the first name. Let's give a space, and this here is the last name. Then we have the email address, and here we have the contact number. Now this method with which I have added the information is mapping, and this is important so that whenever you receive a new lead, so the information of the new lead shall be taken into consideration. Had I written this information manually, in that case, even on receiving new information, my workflow wouldn't have taken that. So to avoid that, we map the information. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And as we do that, we have received the response. Let's go and check our spreadsheet. And here we can see we have received the details. So this means our integration is a success. Now I'm going to take you back to Metaphor Developers page, and here I'm going to first delete the previous lead to test this integration in real time. Once done, refresh this, and now here I'm going to select the same page once again and open the form. So now let's enter the first name which is Smart, then the last name here is Demo, then we have the email address which is smart@pabblytudes.com, and then we have the phone number which is, now I'm going to click on next and submit. And as soon as this is submitted, let's see if the details are received here. And yes, we can see that the details are received. So this means our integration is a complete success. Taking you back to Pabbly Connect, let's quickly understand what we have done. So the trigger is Facebook lead ads, the event is new lead instant, and our action application is Google Sheets, where the event is add new row. I hope this is absolutely clear to you. If in case you have any doubt, you can refer to the workflow which is given in the video description. You can also clone the same and start to process immediately. Apart from this, if you have any specific integration that you wish to work on, you can always write to us.
Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.